I know that we have last couple of minutes. I would like to go to the demo where I would like to share some of the visuals from our solution. So here is the HR at a glance view for you, which is the one-stop shop for you to simply go through all of the information which your organization is currently having. So you can see how many employees you have, headcounts, you can see how many FTEs, and you can see what is the distributions of your new hires per gender, per different type of contracts, temporary contractors or regular contracts, or like what is the amount of leave days for your organization. And you can, of course, uh, drill down each and every visuals here, but I would like to bring your attention very quickly to one of the advanced analytics option, which we are able to provide with your data from Dynamics HR Analytics for Dynamics 365. So as you can see, we are able to provide, just based on your data, bring advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms into an action and create correlations. For instance, of course, depends on your data, what type of algorithms we could implement for your organization. But here you can see an example of correlation analysis. For example, you could see likelihood of termination and risk probability for your organization for the employees. So you could see, for example, for New York, on the left side, you could see how likely that actually retention of your employees from this location will be. So also, what is the highest correlated factor? You can see that, for example, education degree level 0 is the covering the employees for your organization, the highest likelihood in terms of leaving your organization for the attrition. So you can see other factors being into the equation as well, for example, different locations and so on. I would like to give you an example from one of our implementation. Just thanks to this implementation, one of our clients realized that they have 20 employees in one of their division. Actually, they had highest level of correlation between their data source, that depending on their previous data. So we dig deeper and we check this with client, and client realized that actually there are certain issues happening on that certain division, and they were able to immediately react on this. And instead of losing 20 colleagues in that division very soon, it was totally turned around, and they were able to keep this retention on higher percentages and make data-driven decisions thanks to this application. And I also wanted to mention another example that's thanks to the same view that we provided here, one of our clients managed to realize actually they just lost last year almost 35% of their employees. But if they had this view just last year, they would be able to react earlier, and they shared their feedback that they wish that they had the solution so they could have taken some measures to react faster. So with this note, I would like to remind you that this is a very highly customizable tool. And if you want to dig deeper into any details, please let us know, get in touch with us. I know that we are getting on top of our time, so I would like to hand over to Lucia. And thanks everyone for joining us today. And I'm here if you have any questions.